Actually, we have faced a lot of for the forest clearance. We have ultimately got, but there was a substantial delay on the part of the forest clearance, and we have faced land acquisition also. Still, two places we are facing. In Lytton village, 800 meter, till today we have not got the land, and there was a boundary dispute between the two headmen. And in if you see Ramba also there is a Assam rifle post. Although Kala has announced the compensation, but they refuse to take because they are asking, their demand is that you relocate my camp, whatever our camp is there. And we have taken up this matter with the Delhi, since that is the security personal concern. So, as a special case, we have demanded for approval, that we have taken initiation. And when this project was started in 2020, unfortunately, we have suffered or due to COVID also. There was a 10 to 12-month delay due to COVID, then forest clearance, then land acquisition issue. All this contribute this project, and it has become delay. Obviously, I cannot deny on our part. Our executing agency also not shown good progress. What he can deliver, that is we are accepting. And for that, whatever as per the agreement, whatever action is defined, we are time to time we are taking also. And now, as President told and contractor has committed May 2025, if they will not perform, we before that we will get it terminated, and we will appoint some other agency. But now this our Nhidcl has too much concern with this road. Last 10 days back, our director technical has came, and he has conducted a meeting at Imphal, and he has given a clear-cut direction. If you don't perform, we will terminate it. So now our stand is very clear, that either you perform or we'll do action. So it's a very clear message.
They asked one question: is the total number of the kilometer to Imphal to total?
Total. From here to here, it's a 30.6 kilometer. 14 from Yangopi to this that camp. What is that name? TM Kasam. It is 16 kilometer, and after that 14. So it's so total 30.6 kilometer.
Sir, there are certain allegations or rather concerns that the delay in this work of this roads is mainly caused by this allotting of this subcontract, even by subcontractor. So, what do you think about that?
You see, on paper, Barha is doing. I don't know. Actually, it is not our concern, because whatever work they have given, it is maybe unofficial, and all the contractor who is getting the job, he is getting done through some other agency. But on paper, they have not given, and we have not approved. So they are getting done through some of their arrangement. But as far as our is concerned, we are only concerned with Barha, no other person. Or on paper, Barha is the main contractor. And second thing, just I want to tell, it's very unfortunate that we are getting the bad name, but I am assuring the district of Ukhrul peoples that we have undertaken so many projects in the Ukhrul district. And you see, if you see from Fringe Corner to Ukhrul, that is package 3, that also we have undertaken for 2 laning. Contractor is just about to finalize. If you see from Ukhrul to Marem Khulem, we have already appointed contractor, and disbursement is in progress. Within say 10 days, this 5 Ukhrul to Maremkhulem and Maremkhulem to Jesami. We are going to start construction activities. Then our another project is there, Akash Bridge to Jesami. That is, we have got already 72% progress, and we have also going to commence Jesami to Leni Bridge. That is within 15 or 20 days, contractor will come. If you, that is NS 29, Jesami to Leni Bridge. Now Jesami to Leni Bridge will give a good connectivity with the Fusro and all this Nagaland. If you see the Jesami Akash Bridge, it will also give a good connectivity with the Nagaland. And if you come to 102A, 102A, if you see the Ukhrul bypass is one project we are constructing. Then from there we have three projects: package 2, package 3, package 4. From there, Pawang to Tadubi, we are having three projects. And if you see the last one, Tadubi, progress is 76%. Before that, progress is like almost 50%. Means NHIDCL has given very importance to the Ukhrul district. Except barring this, we are doing well, and I am assuring the public of Ukhrul that if all this road construction will be completed in the end of the 26th December, people will have a good connectivity with the Nagaland, people have a good connectivity with the Senapati, then Ukhrul to Imphal. This obviously this road is a gateway for the Ukhrul, and here we are missing something. We'll do it. Our the public concern has been already reached to Delhi, and they are serious about it, and will take sufficient action to get it done. And my point is, Ukhrul after 26 December means 27 January. If you see, Ukhrul will be a beautiful district, beautiful town, and the people, their agriculture produce, they can sell far away what they are selling now. They will get the good price of their agriculture produce, and their the GDP of the area will enhance, and the prosperity of the Ukhrul district will come. So we are doing for the betterment of the Ukhrul district.
Mr. Rajak,
Yes, sir.
we have gone very far.